In this channel, The Stable Health, we will discuss with you which food you should use in your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, depending on the season. Because the condition of the human body is different in every season, and in every season there are different diseases that attack a person in that season. So, we will discuss which foods strengthen the human immune system in the season. In addition, one of the major problem of today is weight gain. We will also discuss how to reduce weight using natural method and be more active. Apart from this, everyone is suffering from stress. Nowadays, we will see what gifts nature has given us through which stress can be removed from our lives. The main cause of stress is the prevalence of various diseases these days: diabetes, blood pressure, etc. These are diseases that almost every human being is a victim of. In this channel, we will talk about the food through which these diseases can be controlled. Above all, we will see if our lifestyle is healthy. If not, we will discuss how to change your lifestyle to a healthy lifestyle.